Aloha. Thank you for joining us today. You are attending workshop 1 of a 3-part series regarding roles and responsibilities of a wastewater treatment facility for Pu'uko, Hawaii. My name is Erica Perez, and I'm with the Coral Reef Alliance and have been working with the community over the past 2 years on helping them identify a better technology to handle wastewater impact. This is the Clean Water for Reefs Pu'uko project. Today, our agenda will be a short introduction and a project recap of where we are today and how we got here. We'll quickly review the Clean Water for Reefs Advisory Committee members and their role in the project. And we'll move to the actual workshop of roles and responsibilities of a wastewater treatment facility. This is a live recorded webinar. However, we do have a live audience in-house right now, so we will be receiving questions in the room, which you should be able to hear pretty clearly online, and we'll be responding to them throughout the webinar. We'll have a 15-minute break or a short break, and we'll recap to finalize the information and for questions and answers at the end. So this is our staff here at Coral. Our mission is uniting communities to save coral reefs. We're an international nonprofit organization. We work in locations such as Fiji, Honduras, Hawaii, Indonesia. So in Hawaii, we are on Hawaii Island as well as Maui. Our goal is focusing on land-based sources of pollution and helping communities identify solutions to minimize impact. So our project overview, here in Pu'uko, we've been working closely with researchers and the community, and wastewater has been identified as being a main threat to the health of coral reefs along the Pu'uko shoreline, as well as possibly having impacts on human health when they enter the water. What we've been doing is researching possible solutions of alternative technology to take care of the wastewater that's making its way to the shoreline. The ultimate goal for the alternatives that we've been investigating have been financial feasibility of the overall project, implementation of the new technology, the most suitable for the community, and the best outcomes for coral reefs. Along the way, we've been working closely with local researchers, experts within the wastewater industry, as well as government organizations, and have received a lot of insight and help from these folks. We've been working with University of Hawaii Hilo, the Nature Conservancy, and other researchers to identify the impact of wastewater. We've also been working with agencies such as Hawaii Rural Water Association, who provides on-site technical assistance and training for wastewater systems specialists. And they're actually here today to facilitate this workshop. So if we can go back a few months, we contracted Aqua Engineering. They are experts in wastewater industry for development and implementation of wastewater treatment facilities that are around and near water sources. So the recommendation that was completed by them through the feasibility study and preliminary engineering report looked at and evaluated criteria and weighed them against the outcomes that we needed. So the criteria that were incorporated into the recommendation was timeline, so how long it would take to implement that recommendation, the permitting process, which also can impact the timeline, environmental outcome, so the benefit to the coral reef, as well as capital costs, so the dollar amount that it takes to put this infrastructure into the ground and implement the recommendation, as well as the ongoing operation and maintenance cost of the option. So on the top line here, you'll see ATUs, so aerated treatment units were investigated, Mauna Lani, so a possible connection to the Mauna Lani Resort that's just south of here, and potential of putting in a package plant or an on-site treatment facility that would be private for the Pu'uko community. After looking at the preliminary engineering report results and consulting with the advisors for the Clean Water for Reefs Pu'uko project, the outcome was the best alternative of a package plant or an on-site treatment facility for the Pu'uko community. And second came in the potential to connect to the Mauna Lani facility. So updates and next steps. If you would like to stay connected with us after the webinar, if you have questions regarding events or you would like to give support, please go to these following links and connect with us here on Island, or ask questions and we're happy to get back to you with answers or more information along the way. My information is here. You can contact me at eperez@coral.org. Or again, you can go for more information regarding the project at www.coral.org/Pu'uko. We look forward to hearing more from you. And right now, I'm going to turn it over to Mahana Gomes with Hawaii Rural Water Association, and she will be facilitating the rest of the workshop. Thank you, and have a great day.